The last piece. Done! Can you open your eyes, ballerina? It's a lost cause. I failed to save my friend! Huh?
I'm alive.
You are so strong!
I'm sorry I'm late.
Oh, no worries at all. Hey, I actually saved a seat just for you.
Oh, thanks.
Right next to me.
Hey, I don't think you've told me your name yet.
Ta-ta-ta. And you? Stop flirting! Excuse me? Damn it! Come here, sweetie. This spot is better.
All right.
Going to the team! Give me a second!
You're so serious. Smile a bit. Look. What's funny?
What, someone else's jokes?
This is a masterpiece. Taddy's gonna love it.
You too? See this?
Perfect. Banana.
Just improving your art, chimpanzee. Much better.